Hey, what's going on, everybody? Dennis here, EDC for Fun. Thanks for checking out the video. As you can see, I've got my Para 3 Rex 45 Stormtrooper Edition. I've been carrying this for a few days since I got it. Absolutely love it. Love all my Para 3s. The action right out of the box with this was perfect. Centering. That's pretty darn good for a lightweight Para 3 right there. Lock up. Very good. Just super happy with these. The only thing is, I'm not in love with the wire clip. I don't hate it, but yeah, I just don't. I don't like the see-through look, I guess, and I don't like the way they flex. So just real quick, just gonna swap this thing out. Just unscrew it a little bit. Pop that out. And I'm going to put this Lynch Northwest wire clip replacement. This came off of another Para 3 lightweight. Slide that back in there. Snug it down. There we go. And yeah, I much prefer the way that looks. I also prefer the way it carries in my pocket. So there it is. Absolutely loving this thing. You can see the black compression lock there instead of the normal silver one. So this thing just looks great, feels great. Para 3s are awesome. The lightweights are awesome. Very happy with this. And definitely appreciate you guys checking out the video. So thanks. Have a great day. See you.